Tomorrow in St. Paul, Derek Chauvin is expected to plead guilty to federal charges related to the murder of George Floyd.
Chauvin has already been convicted in state court and sentenced to 22.5 years in prison, but he is facing a life sentence on federal charges. Esme Murphy joins us now with what we can expect at tomorrow's hearing. Esme.
Well, good evening, Frank and Amelia. These federal civil rights charges are depriving someone of their civil rights, and because this resulted in the death of George Floyd, Derek Chauvin was facing a possible life sentence if convicted. The change of plea will happen at the federal courthouse in St. Paul and won't be final until Judge Paul Magnuson accepts it. Joe Tamburino is a criminal defense attorney not affiliated with the case.
This will be the first time that Mr. Chauvin in public has talked about what happened. He will have to methodically go through why he's guilty, that he knew what he was doing would violate Mr. Floyd's civil rights.
Members of the Floyd family are expected in court. Among the possibilities of what Derek Chauvin might receive in return for the guilty plea is a lower federal sentence, giving him a chance to not die a prisoner. He may also get a recommendation that he be sent to a federal prison, not a state prison. Federal prisons are widely seen as a better place to serve a sentence, both in terms of safety and programs available.
Educational, treatment type programming, different types of work-related issues. There are a whole host of programs that different prisoners are allowed to join if they're accepted.
Because of concerns for his safety, Derek Chauvin is currently being held in the state's highest security prison at Oak Park Heights. As part of the plea, he could agree to testify in the federal and state trials of the 3 other former officers accused in George Floyd's death. The other 3 have long sought to distance themselves and even pin all the blame on Derek Chauvin. Now, the trial for those 3 other former officers will face federally next month in St. Paul, and they will also face a state trial in Hennepin County District Court starting in March. At this point, Derek Chauvin is still appealing that state conviction.
All right, Esme, thank you.